Because here in Manhattan, we got snow. It's falling right now. As you look at Midtown, you see the sign there, the Essex House, that's 59th Street. And you know what? We could probably only see a couple of blocks past 59th Street. So we're not even able to see a tenth of a mile here with snow falling in the 5 boroughs. Current temperature in Central Park is 25 degrees. The humidity is dry. The barometer has been falling, and we're going to wind chill of 14. So it's plenty cold out here for all snow through the morning commute. I know you've been hearing about all kinds of various precipitation types. That starts developing late today and tonight and overnight into Wednesday when warmer air starts to creep in. So know this, the first thing this morning is it's snow. That's all you got to deal with until we get into the afternoon and evening hours, and then it becomes a little more complex as to what the precipitation types are, depending on where you are. And it all depends on the temperature. If it's warmer in the city, then you know in the suburbs it's colder. That's where it's going to be most a frozen event. All right, winter storm warning now. You probably didn't see this until now, if you're just joining us this morning. Yesterday, the 5 boroughs was not in the warning area. We're in the warning area now in the 5 boroughs, Nassau County, North Shore of Suffolk County, North Shore of Long Island, and also you see here in central northern Jersey, all the way up to everybody in New York State is in the winter storm warning. This storm is impacting 23 states. Here are temperatures this morning. You go into Fairfield County and up here in Connecticut, 24 at Norwalk, 22 Bridgeport, Danbury and Shelton at 20. West Haven is at about 22, 23 degrees there. You get up to Mahopac, that's 21 there in Putnam County. Westchester 22, 18, 16 there you see. From Curious Joel all the way down in here to Tuxedo Park to Ramsey, New Jersey, it's about 22. Plenty cold in there. So this is our first low. It is sliding from west to east. That's what's giving us the snow this morning, coming into plenty cold air. The second system for tomorrow is one that'll push in some warm moisture into the area that could change precipitation types over. So, you know, we're not looking at a lot of snow. We're looking at enough that impacts the commute this morning. Up to the north and west, however, you're looking at a foot to about 18 inches of snow later on during the day. So here's our forecast, our future cast for the day today. Snow and ice by noontime, changing over to sleet this afternoon. Then we're just going to have cloudy skies, maybe some drizzle or some freezing drizzle, and you'll be thinking, where's the storm? Here comes the second storm, 2 a.m. tomorrow. Starts out as sleet and freezing rain. Goes to rain in some spots. That's a real nasty travel day. And that second storm is down here to our south. That's what's coming our way for tomorrow. Your Accuweather forecast today. Snow everywhere, north and west. They'll be changing over to a little sleet late in the day today in the city and some freezing rain. And then tonight, overnight, we get a little lull. And then after midnight, sleet, freezing rain for the city, snow and ice, north and west. Freezing rain tomorrow in the afternoon in the city to rain, and then snow and ice north and west. There's a lot going on with that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not cut and dried at all. Cold on Thursday and Friday. Another shot at some snow and ice on, snow and rain rather, mixed on Saturday. We'll keep an eye on that, but we got our hands filled with 2 days worth of stuff right now. Just a mess. You want to be very careful. Make sure you got the boots and all that kind of stuff. You're very safe. You know, it's slippery out there. Watch out for cars, crossing streets, all that kind of stuff.